Welcome back to Baking Unafraid. It's me, David. Hi, guys. So, how is everyone doing? Great. It is November. It is a new month. It is time for some new things, right? So, what is today? Today is Vanilla Cupcake Day. And for Vanilla Cupcake Day, I thought we would mix it up a little bit, literally, by making a vanilla cupcake milkshake. So let's get into it and have some fun. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so this is super simple, easy milkshake. For today's vanilla cupcake milkshake, I got Grater's vanilla ice cream. This is like a Cincinnati thing. So this is gonna be our base, all right? So got my ice cream scoop and we're gonna scoop it in. So we're gonna use the Grater's here. So you can see it, Grater's vanilla ice cream. It is delicious, all right? So 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream, right? So like large scoops. So 1, ooh. And 2, and this doesn't have to be exact. I mean, you just want 4 large scoops. So I mean, you know, just kind of eyeball it. 3, ooh. And 4. Flavors. Not a paid sponsorship. All right, so we'll just put that to the side. Also, we need some milk. So for this milkshake, you need a 1/4 cup of milk. I like to use 2% milk, but if you wanted a richer milkshake, you could use whole. If you wanted a little on the lighter side, you could use skim. It's really up to preference. It's really not gonna change your milkshake, so to speak. So yeah, you can use whole milk in your milkshake. You can use 2%. I'm using 2% today. I just prefer 2% over whole milk, but just use whatever you prefer. So we have our 4 scoops of ice cream. Then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of milk. Ooh. Don't be worried about how much milk that is. That does seem like not too much milk, but I promise you, it will blend together. If you put too much milk into a milkshake, it gets runny and almost actually like milk itself. So less is more with this version. And since it's a vanilla cupcake milkshake, of course we're gonna add some sprinkles. So just a little sprinkle. Ooh. So now we have our ice cream, our milk, and our sprinkles. We're just gonna go ahead and we're going to blend that up. All right, so 3, 2, 1. So if you notice it like struggling to blend a little bit, you can do a little like shake, shake, tap, tap. Always keep the lid on because you never know if like the blend might just get really crazy and just hit you in the face. And we don't want that to happen. Perfect. All right, let's get a cup for this milkshake. All right, we have our cup. Just going to go ahead and pour that into our cup. Ooh. Nice and smooth. Of course, the perfect pour. You have to have some whipped cream with a milkshake, right? So let's just go ahead and, oh, wow. If you make a mess, it's part of the fun. And then, of course, more sprinkles. And this is the best part, just wait. You can't have a vanilla cupcake milkshake without a little cupcake. And there you have it, a vanilla cupcake milkshake. Oh, of course we have to try it. Okay, that is perfect. Super easy to make, super fun. You could really wow your friends and family with a simple milkshake. So the next time, instead of making a vanilla cupcake, how about make a vanilla cupcake milkshake? All right, until next time, don't forget to be you and bake unafraid.